I come from HR background and I know my people extremely well. And as a person, I trust people. Till someone proves otherwise, I trust. So I go with the premise everyone is trustworthy. And my people liked me very much. They wanted me to succeed. So, and I didn't mind saying, I don't know and show my vulnerability. Constantly, I would say, I don't understand this, please explain. And they were very happy to explain and see that I succeed. So trust has never been a problem.
Including at CRI.
Yeah. People have asked me that as a woman, have you seen men not liking you, not helping you? I said, my experience is just the opposite. In a business association, CII, where I was very active, I saw the members trying their best to help me in whatever the way they can. So I found a lot of support from, of course, my daughter and my husband, her husband, from internal the company and from outside.